When I was a child, my family and I were in a catastrophic accident. We were on our way to go camping. A negligent driver crashed into the back of our camper. It flipped the van over and demolished the camper across the road. My mother took the brunt of this impact. She endured multiple surgeries. My father was raising 2 children alone while running his construction business and driving to upstate New York to see my mom, who was in the hospital. When I was 12, I had to give my deposition relative to the litigation in this case. And it inspired me to want to become the personal injury attorney to help other families like mine navigate the process.
What inspired me to pursue a career in personal injury is my desire to help others, to be the voice for people, help them navigate the complexities of the legal system, and hold responsible parties accountable is really what drove me to do personal injury.
I had a catastrophic motorcycle accident. I hit like a concrete wall, flew out the motorcycle, and I landed on an uncovered ditch that was about 10 feet. Before I reached out to Natalie, my mind was all over the place. Medical bills, health issues, going to different doctors. And my biggest difficulty was being a father in that position. After I reached out to Natalie, to be honest, it was like I saw an angel.
Connecting with clients who have suffered a tragic accident requires empathy, compassion, and understanding. And you have to show support to help those in one of the darkest days of their lives.
Natalie treated me like family. She guided me through everything, told me I was gonna be okay. We'll stay in constant communication. If I needed to stop by the office, she was always available to take me in. She was actually the best thing that happened to me at that time.
I reached out to Sheri for guidance when my son was hit by a car while he was riding his bicycle. He ultimately wound up with 22 broken bones. What was going through my mind when I heard that news was complete distraught. It's devastating to have your child hurt and have to deal with that. It was the worst time of our entire lives. The smoothest part of the whole accident was working with Sheri. She was professional, personable, she was helpful, responsive, and there was never a time where if we called her, you ever felt that you were being bothersome. How she took care of me and my family, I will never really be able to repay her.
I know firsthand how a tragic accident can profoundly affect not only the injured party, but also their families. What makes me feel great about the work that I do in helping injured parties is when they share with me the tremendous difference and how I help them to reset their lives to begin their new normal.
What sets injury lawyers of New Jersey, ZammittiShaw&Breen, apart from other law firms is our client-centered approach. We are a boutique firm with personalized attention, frequent communication, dedication to advocating for the rights of injury victims is what sets us apart.
Natalie and I have known each other for over 38 years. We've been practicing law together for over 25.
We work together as a team. We fight for you and for justice, inside the courtroom and out.
With a combined over 50 years of experience.
Contact Injury Lawyers of New Jersey, ZammittiShaw&Breen today.